Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to delete keyboard languages on Samsung Galaxy A05 Android mobile phone. So let's get started. So first of all you need to go your handset settings and just tap on your setting. When you tap on it, there is a lot of options. So just you can see a option of general management. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, a new interface you can see on your screen, just like that. Here at the bottom you can see a option of Samsung keyboard settings. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, a new interface will open on your screen, just like this. Here at the top of the screen you can see a option of languages and types. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, a new interface will open on your screen, just like this. Here here you can see a option of manage input languages. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, another interface will open on your screen, just like this. Here you can see the switch is on. Here you can see the languages, and in front of the languages the switch is on. Just simply the switch just simply switch off the switch. Okay, when you switch off the switch, okay, so when you switch off the switch you can see the language has been deleted from your keyboard. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button. Thank you.